Picture this, a robot building another robot without any human hands involved. Sounds wild, doesn't it? But that's exactly what's happening in some of the world's most advanced factories today. From cars to sneakers, machines are not only assembling products, but also teaching themselves to get better at it. We're living in the age of digital manufacturing, and it's changing everything we know about making things. Get ready for a wild ride into the future of how stuff gets made. Number 1. The rise of robot workers. Robots are taking over the factory floor, and it's happening fast. Gone are the days of endless rows of workers assembling parts by hand. Now, robots like those used by Tesla are handling everything from welding to assembling car parts with lightning speed. The best part? These machines aren't just following simple instructions anymore. They're actually learning as they go. Through machine learning, they're getting better at their jobs, solving problems, and becoming even more efficient. But here's a fun fact. Some factories are now using cobots, robots that work alongside humans. Unlike traditional robots, which are kept behind safety barriers, cobots are designed to safely interact with workers, helping them with tasks and increasing productivity. This means robots are becoming teammates, not just tools. Who knew the future of manufacturing would look so collaborative? Number 2. 3D printing revolution. Ever imagine printing your own bike at home? Well, with 3D printing, that's closer to reality than you think. 3D printers are shaking up the manufacturing world by allowing companies to create complex parts quickly and cheaply. Instead of waiting weeks for a part to be machined and shipped, a 3D printer can whip one up in just a few hours. From custom car parts to medical devices, possibilities are endless. And here's a secret. Some companies are even printing entire houses. Yes, you read that right. In some parts of the world, 3D printing technology is now being used to create affordable housing. Imagine being able to print a house in just a few days. It's not sci-fi anymore. It's happening today. Number 3. AI is the new boss. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is becoming the brain behind the machines in modern factories. With AI-driven systems, manufacturers can optimize production, predict machine failures, and improve overall efficiency. It's like having a super intelligent manager who never sleeps and always knows what's coming next. These systems analyze huge amounts of data in real time, helping factories operate smoothly. Here's a fun fact. AI isn't just improving factories, it's making them smarter. Some factories now have self-healing machines that can diagnose and repair themselves without human intervention. That's right, machines that fix themselves. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's already being tested in industries like aerospace and automotive manufacturing. Number 4. Customization at scale. Mass production used to mean one-size-fits-all products, but not anymore. Thanks to digital manufacturing, companies can now produce highly customized products on a large scale. Want a pair of shoes with your name on them? No problem. Need a custom-designed bike frame? Done. Digital manufacturing technologies like 3D printing and laser cutting make it possible to create unique, personalized products quickly and affordably. Here's a cool secret. Some car manufacturers are now letting customers design their own car interiors down to the stitching on the seats. You can choose the color, texture, and even add personal touches like engraved logos. It's like having your own luxury design team at your fingertips. Number 5. The role of cobots. Cobots, or collaborative robots, are taking teamwork to a whole new level in the manufacturing world. These robots work side by side with human workers, assisting with tasks that require precision or heavy lifting. Unlike traditional robots, which had to be kept separate from humans for safety reasons, cobots are designed to be safe and efficient co-workers. But did you know that cobots are already boosting productivity in ways we never thought possible? A study from MIT found that human-machine teams can be up to 85% more productive than humans or machines working alone. It's proof that when humans and robots team up, amazing things can happen. Number 6. Digital twins. Imagine having a virtual copy of your entire factory that you can monitor in real time. That's exactly what a digital twin does. A digital twin is a virtual model of a factory, product, or process that mirrors its real-world counterpart. It allows companies to run simulations, test changes, and predict outcomes before making any physical alterations, saving time and money. Here's something even cooler. Digital twins can also predict maintenance needs before a machine breaks down. By analyzing data from sensors in real time, a digital twin can alert engineers when a machine is about to fail, allowing them to fix it before it causes a production halt. It's like having a crystal ball for your factory. Number 7. The Internet of Things, or IoT. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is connecting everything in the factory, from machines to supply chains. IoT sensors collect data on everything, including temperature, humidity, machine performance, and energy usage. This data helps companies optimize their operation, reduce waste, and improve efficiency. It's like having eyes and ears on every aspect of the production process. Here's a fun fact: IoT technology is so advanced that it can even detect when machines need to rest. Just like humans, machines can get tired if they overheat or run for too long. IoT systems can automatically slow down or shut off machines to prevent damage, ensuring they last longer and perform better. Number 8. Smart factories. The smart factory is the ultimate goal of digital manufacturing. In a smart factory, every machine, system, and worker is connected through a network of sensors and computers. These factories run on AI and IoT, making them incredibly efficient and flexible. They can quickly adapt to changes in demand, switch production lines, and even self-optimize without human intervention. But here's something even more amazing. Smart factories can also be completely automated, running 24/7 without a single human on site. Some factories in China are already running lights-out operations, where machines work in the dark because there's no need for human workers. Number 9. The impact on jobs. While digital manufacturing is improving efficiency, it's also changing the job market. Many traditional manufacturing jobs are being replaced by automation, but new opportunities are emerging in fields like robotics maintenance, AI programming, and data analysis. The demand for skilled workers who can manage and maintain advanced machinery is on the rise, a surprising fact. Despite fears of job loss, some studies suggest that automation may actually create more jobs than it eliminates. As machines take over repetitive tasks, humans can focus on higher-level work that requires creativity and problem-solving. It's a shift from manual labor to smart labor. Number 10. Sustainability and efficiency. Digital manufacturing isn't just about making things faster. It's about making them greener. With precision technologies, factories can reduce waste, use less energy, and minimize their environmental impact. 3D printing, for example, uses only the exact amount of material needed, with very little leftover waste. And here's a cool secret: some factories are even recycling their own waste to create new products. For example, BMW uses recycled materials in the production of its electric cars, reducing the need for raw materials and cutting down on pollution. It's a win-win for businesses and the planet. And there you have it. The digital manufacturing revolution is here, reshaping industries and creating a future we could only dream of. Question is, are you ready to embrace it? Thanks for watching.